I don't like riding the bus.
Why not?
Number 1, it's too slow.
You're right. The car is faster.
Number 2, it's usually late.
You're right. The buses are never on time.
Number 3, it doesn't run 24 hours.
You're right. Buses don't run late at night.
Number 4, it's too crowded.
You're right. You have to stand in the aisle.
Number 5, it's unsafe.
You're right. Bad guys might rob you.
Conversation 2.
I don't like riding the bus.
Why not?
The seats and windows are dirty.
Don't they clean the bus every night?
I think they do.
You should bring some wipes with you.
That's a good idea.
Then you can wipe your seat and window.
People will think I'm strange.
Who cares? Everyone is strange.
That's for sure.
Don't worry about what people think. Conversation 3.
We had a problem at school.
What was the problem?
Someone cut the tires.
What tires?
The tires on the cars.
Where were the cars?
They were in the student parking lot.
How many tires were cut?
1 or 2 tires were cut on each car.
How many cars?
11 cars.
That's terrible. I hope they catch the person. Conversation 4. Life isn't fair.
It sure isn't.
I got a ticket yesterday.
What for?
I was crossing the street.
Were you in a crosswalk?
Yes, but the red hand was blinking.
So? That's a ticket?
Yes, it's a $140 ticket.
That's not right.
When I started to cross the street, the white walk sign was blinking.
You need to walk faster.